In the context in which it appears, nuanced most nearly means. Nuanced means a subtle difference in or shade of meaning. It's not the electoral campaign he has shown to be master of, but a nuanced substantive one that will require the delicate fineness of private or secret conversations rather than raucous or harsh slogans at a rally. And he will have to resist the urge, which is a tall order, to comment further on FBI's probe into whether he or his campaign team improperly colluded, that is, to come to a secret understanding for a harmful purpose or conspire, that is, shaded from being public with Russia during the election. So, choice C shows the reflection of a correct answer. On the other hand, nuance doesn't mean welter, means turbulent or harsh, as it is clearly stated that the condition is secret rather than raucous or harsh slogans at a rally. Choice A is so incorrect. Besides, aggrandized means enlarged or expanded, which is also incorrect, even as choice B, because a more nuanced substantive one that will require the delicate fineness of private conversations, but the substantive has not been implemented yet. Corroborated, as choice E means supported, is also incorrect because nuanced means a subtle difference and the substantive one that will require the delicate fineness, that is, it is not supported. Convoluted, as choice D means complicated, may show a relevance to fit, but it is also incorrect in comparison with choice C, which meets the meaning of nuanced exactly with respect to the passage and its message. Moreover, the information is clear and simple enough about the way by how his campaign team improperly colluded with Russia and his appeal of lower federal court rulings that have halted the implementation of his controversial travel ban. So, choice D is also eliminated along with choice A, B, and E. So the correct answer is choice C.